solve these two sums, and remember we are going to use the rules. We are going to use the product rules, quotient rules, as well as the power rule. First, we are asked to expand log of 2 into a cube into b square. So, what does the product rule says? That logarithm of the product of 2 or 3 numbers will be equal to sum of the logarithm of the numbers. So, here we have product of 3 numbers. So, by applying the property or the rule, we can write it as log 2 plus log a cube plus log b square. Okay. Next step, log 2 will remain as log 2, there is nothing that we can do. Now, log a to the power 3. So, we can use the power rule. Power rule says that the power comes to the coefficient. So, we will get 3 log a plus, again here the power will come to the coefficient. So, we will get 2 log b. This is the answer. This is your expansion of a given expression. Okay. Let us do the second one. The second one, we are given an expanded relations and now we have to condense it. So, we are given log 2 plus 3 log a plus 2 log b. So, first step, again we will put log 2 as it is plus. So, we will apply the reverse of the power rule. This coefficient can be written as power of a. So, we can write log a cube. Similarly, this coefficient 2 can be written as power of b. So, we will get log b square. Okay. Now, we have got plus sign in between 3 logarithm, which means we can write 1 logarithm and then we can write product of these numbers 2 into a cube into b square. Okay. So, this is condensed from a given expression and this is an expression which is given to us and we have expanded it. Okay. So, in both the cases we have applied the rules. So, we can keep writing the rules, like in the first case we have used since log of, so we can say x into a into b is equal to log of a base x plus log of b base x. That is the rule we have applied here. Here we have applied the power rule. So, we can say since log of a to the power b is equal to b log of a to the power x. Similarly, even here also we can mention the same property or the same rules when we are trying to condense the expression. So, this is the applications of the 3 different rules of logarithm that we have seen.